Welcome to the 17th episode of the JavaScript tutorial series. Today we're going to explore how JavaScript handles date and time using the built-in date object. This is a very important topic, especially when building real-world applications like booking systems, reminders, or even simple logging mechanisms. So let's dive in.
The date object in JavaScript is used to work with dates and times. It allows us to create dates, fetch the current time, extract specific parts like the year, month, or day, and also manipulate dates. Let's see how we can create a simple date object. Here we are creating a new date object using the newDate constructor and storing it in a variable called now. When we log this to the console, it will show the current date and time according to the user's system clock. You can also create specific dates by passing arguments to the date constructor. In this example, we are creating a date for July 15, 1995. But wait, JavaScript months are zero based. That means January is 0, February is 1, and so on. So 6 here actually represents July. You can also pass time values. This creates a date and time. Let's now look at how to extract information from a date object. Get full year returns the full 4-digit year. Get month gives us the current month. Remember, 0 means January. Get date is the day of the month. Get day tells us the day of the week. Sunday is 0, Monday is 1, and so on. Get hours, get minutes, and get seconds gives the respective parts of the time. This is very useful when you want to display or process individual components of a date. We can also update parts of a date using the setter method. Here we have created a new date object with the current date and time, and then changed its year month and date using set full year, set month and set date. JavaScript tracks time in milliseconds since January 1st, 1970. This is called Unix timestamp. Date.now returns the number of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970. This is useful when you are measuring time durations or creating countdown timers. You can also convert a date to a timestamp like this. The getTime method returns the same type of value, the number of milliseconds since January 1st, 1970 for any date object. Let's say you want to find out how many days are left until Diwali. Here is what's happening. We create two dates, one for today and one for Diwali. Subtracting one from the other gives the difference in milliseconds. We then divide by the number of milliseconds in a day to get the total days. Math.sil to round up to the next whole number. Here is a small challenge for you. Create a date object for your next birthday and calculate how many days are left from today until then. That's all for today. In the next episode, we will explore an important concept in JavaScript, scope. You will learn the difference between global and local variables and why understanding scope can help you write better and bug-free code. Don't miss it.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this presentation, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you soon in the next video. Take care and bye for now.